Mechatronics is where innovation comes to life, combining mechanics, electronics, computer science, and engineering to create the systems that power our modern world. From robots on factory floors to automated systems in cars and smart appliances in your home, mechatronics is everywhere. In this exciting field, you'll design, build, and maintain cutting-edge technology that drives industries like aerospace, healthcare, and manufacturing. Think about robotics assembling cars with precision or automated machines packaging products quickly and efficiently. That's the power of mechatronics in action. The Mechatronics program at Baker College offers two unique pathways to help you succeed. First, the traditional student path is designed for those who are pursuing a typical college experience. As a traditional student, you'll engage in both classroom learning and hands-on work experience. Baker College partners with local employers to ensure you gain the real-world skills that make you stand out in the industry. Second, the sponsored student path is a great option for those who have the support of an employer. In this route, your tuition is paid for by the company that sponsors you, and you work for them throughout the program. A career in mechatronics means solving real-world problems with advanced technology, ensuring systems work seamlessly, and even imagining the possibilities of tomorrow. If you're ready to shape the future, mechatronics is your pathway to a dynamic and high-tech career. Discover the endless possibilities of mechatronics today